Hello everyone, this is Swapnil and today I'm making this video to introduce my another project which is called a dynamic shopping cart. So let's go through it quickly. I've just got registration form here where the user needs to first register with the site, otherwise he won't get access to the other pages of the site. This is controlled by functions.php, in which this is the function, and on other pages it checks if the user is logged in or not, and if the user is not logged in, then he's headed to main.php, which is the first page of the site. I have a registered user here which is called Swapnil with the password. There are a few more checks on this form, that if the form is blank then it won't process, and the password while registration should be more than 8 words, and this is all done by JavaScript. I have got this remember we checkbox here. If it checks, then it starts a cookie, and if not, then it starts a session. So let's log into the site. It's a shopping site, so I've got many products on it, but as for sample, it's 7 laptops which are on sale here. One of the things we considered while designing this page was the text, because in a shopping website where there are, say, hundreds of items and every item has a description, so most of the space is taken by the text. So I tried to counter it by using this more info text. For example, this laptop has some description, and as you take your pointer on more info text, it shows its description. It becomes more handy when you have a situation like this. There's the second half of the front page where you have got 6 laptops, and all the laptops have its description. So one needs to just go to more info text, and the text will come down giving the description of the laptops, and similarly this is done for other laptops. We've got the image of every laptop with its model number and price, with a banner button with add-on cart written on it. The laptops divided into 3 categories: deal of the month, premium range, and value range. One of the interesting things which I have on my project is this search an item search box. As you search on it, you don't have to refresh the page, or you don't have to press enter. For example, if I want to see all the laptops on the website of Dell company, so I just press Dell and it queries me back all the laptops of Dell with their model number, price, and their category along with the image. This comes handy because as soon as I remove the text from the search item box, I'm returned on this page which was where all the laptops were there basically. So there's no refresh. You can type Sony and you get all the laptops of Sony given here. This comes handy because you have the original page here and you have got the search results on the same page, so that you can select it more easily. And now let's shop some items. This is the shopping cart, and as I have got none selected here, so the total cost is none. If I add my signature to it, it adds up here, and say let's select Dell Inspire 1, and it gives me a total cost. It gives me the individual cost of every laptop. But what if I say that my budget was $1,500? So I'll empty the cart, and the cart is emptied. So I just select an Inspire 1, which is now on my cart, and from a value range, a Dell 9010. Yeah, so let's check out. As soon as I check out, I'm going on this confirmation page where I have to make the payments. I've got all my list of items which was in my cart with their images here, along with my total cost, my current balance, and my final balance. Current balance is given when you register with the site. This is the limit because actually I can't do any real payments here, so I have this field with some current cash. What you can do here next is I've got this search on Google text box, and if I want to get more information on my purchase, I just type my items here, and it will take me through to Google, and it will give the results, and I can get more information on my products here, along with not closing my initial window. What I can do here is I've selected my items, so they are on my cart, but I can always log out and come back and see my cart again, and the cart items will be stored, and these are stored in my database. I've got this print page here. By clicking it, you can take the print out of the page so that you can confirm it better. Unfortunately, I don't have any printer installed here, otherwise you can just select your printer and print page. As far as comments and go, you can give a comment, yes, I am happy with my purchase, but it's always optional. If you don't give a comment, then also it's fine. You can move on and purchase the items. This is the confirmation page where you're confirmed that your transaction is complete. You again have a print page. This is kind of a receipt. You can take your receipt from here. Otherwise, your receipt will be mailed onto your email, and this will give a list of all the things which you have purchased on this website. So this is the list. Previously I purchased these 3 and now I purchased these 2 items, so all the things are purchased here, and this is my final balance after purchase. Remember, I started out with $10,000 and it's now $8620. Let's see if you can purchase more. So you just need to go to online store and you can again start purchasing the things. You can again search the items. This is done by JQuery, and let me tell you that how this search box works. As soon as you type the product name as Dell, it searches the company, it searches for Dell here. As soon as you type D, it searches for the Dell's D here, then it searches for E and LL over here. So this is how you get the search results in the search box, and if you log out, you are logged out of the system, and you're on the main page. If you have any queries, please do comment on it. Thank you.